Zaranj or Zarang is a city in southwestern Afghanistan, near the border with Iran, which has a population of 160,902 people as of 2015. It is the capital of Nimruz province and is linked by highways with Lashkar Gah to the east, Farah to the north and the Iranian city of Zabul to the west. Zaranj is a major border crossing between Afghanistan and Iran, which is of significant importance to the trade route between Central Asia and South Asia with the Middle East. The history of Zaranj dates back over 2,500 years, and Yaqub ibn al-Layth al-Saffar, founder of the Safarid dynasty, was born in this old civilization. Modern Zaranj bears the name of an ancient city whose name is also attested in Old Persian as Zarinka. In Greek, this word became Drangiana. Other historical names for Zaranj include Zira, Zaranja, Zarani etc. Ultimately, the word Zaranj is derived from the ancient Old Persian word Zarinka. Achaemenid Zarinka, the capital of Drangiana, was almost certainly located at Dahan-e-Gholaman, southeast of Zabul in Iran. After the abandonment of that city, its name, Zarang or Zaranj in later Perso-Arabic orthography, was transferred to the subsequent administrative centers of the region, which itself came to be known as Sakistan, then Sijistan and finally Sistan. Medieval Zaranj is located at Nud-i-Ali, 4.4 kilometers north of the modern city of Zaranj. According to the Arab geographers, prior to medieval Zaranj, the capital of Sistan was located at Ramsharistan. Ramsharistan had been supplied with water by a canal from the Helmand River. But its dam broke, the area was deprived of water, and the populace moved 3 days' march to found Zaranj. This Zaranj appears on the Petinga map of late antiquity. The area came under Muslim rule in 652. When Zaranj surrendered to the governor of Khorasan, it subsequently became a base for further caliphal expansion in the region. In 661, a small Arab garrison re-established its authority in the region after having temporarily lost control due to skirmishes and revolts. A Nestorian Christian community is recorded in Zaranj in the 6th century. And by the end of the 8th century there was a Jacobite diocese of Zaranj. In the 9th century Zaranj was the capital of the Safarid dynasty, whose founder was the local coppersmith turned warlord, Yaqub ibn al-Layth al-Saffar. It became part of the Ghaznavids, Ghurids, Timurids, Safavids and others. Defeated by the Samanids in 900, the Safarids sank to a position of regional importance, until conquered by Mahmud of Ghazni in 1003. Subsequently, Zaranj served as the capital of the Nasrid and Mehrabanid Malik of Nimruz. In the early 18th century, the city became part of the Afghan Hotaki dynasty until they were removed from power in 1738 by Nader Shah of Khorasan. By 1747, Ahmad Shah Durrani made it part of modern Afghanistan after he united all the different tribes and acquired the territories from northeastern Iran to Delhi in India. Under the modern Afghan governments, the area was known as Farah Chakanj province until 1968, when it was separated to form the provinces of Nimruz and Farah. The city of Zaranj became the capital of Nimroz province. A new highway called Route 606 was built between Zaranj and Delaram in Farah province by the Indian government's Border Roads Organization at a cost of about 136 million United States dollars to open up a link between the deep sea port at Chabahar in Iran to Afghanistan's main ring road highway system, which connects Kabul, Kandahar, Herat, Mazar-i-Sharif and Kunduz. The 215-kilometer-long highway, a symbol of India's developmental work in the war-ravaged country, was handed over to Afghan authorities by Indian External Affairs Minister Pranab Mukherjee in January 2009 in the presence of Afghan President Hamid Karzai and Foreign Minister Rangin Dadfa. Spanter, quote, "Completion of the road reflects the determination of both India and Afghanistan that nothing can prevent or hinder collaboration between the two countries," Mukherjee said at a function to mark this handover. On the occasion, Karzai said, "The completion of the project is a message to those who want to stop cooperation between India and Afghanistan. Our cooperation will not stop. The Taliban was opposed to this project and launched frequent attacks on the construction workers. In an attempt to force the winding up of the work, a total of 6 Indians, including a border roads organization driver and 4 ITBP soldiers, and 129 Afghans were killed in these attacks. The province has been one of the 7 where the Taliban have been recently regrouping. On the 14th of August 2012, dozens of civilians were killed in Zaranj by several suicide bombers in a major terrorist attack on the city. Due to Zaranj's close proximity to Iran, the city relies mostly on Iranian products. With the increase of trade, the Afghan border police is dealing with a rise in smuggling, particularly illegal drugs and weapons. The overall economic situation is becoming better for the local